Hi everyone, Rohit Ashok here. I'm an expert digital marketing trainer and affiliate marketing advisor. So today we are here to discuss about Adword display network only advertisement. Uh, for this reason, because many of my trainees are looking to have a better idea in advert display marketing, and basically their focus is display advertisement and related to remarketing. So for them I'll just create a quick video on how to create an advert display marketing advertisement. And for that I'll begin with uh, creating a display network ads, so that for them it would be easy to understand how to go ahead with a display advertisement. So I'll just go to the advert account first. Under that advert account I have to go to the campaign part, so I'll go to the campaign part. Once I click to the campaign part, a new window will appear. In that window I have to go to the campaign section. So here you'll find the campaign section. In the campaign section, if I click all the campaign section, so I'll find campaign section like this. So here in this tab, particular this tab, I have to click, uh, and then what I have to do is I have to go ahead with display network only campaigns. So I'll just go ahead and click display network only campaign. Now what I have to do is I have to give a name to my display network campaign. So suppose I want to sell kids uh, wear, so I'll just type kids wear. And then either I have to next I have to decide the marketing objective which we have, or no marketing objective. Under no marketing objective there are all features which we have to choose from, top to bottom. There are other features which we have already covered in search ads, and this you can always go ahead and check in my search ad video. And you can also choose ad in mobile app. So ads you only want exclusively in mobile app, so that you can choose if you don't have any marketing objective. But as of now we'll go with a marketing objective. So under the marketing objective, you'll find three different categories. Number one is bill awareness, where you just want your people to check your ads and check your advertisements. It's basically creating a brand awareness. So how this you know display network ad works. So first let me tell you a brief about this, and then we'll choose a marketing objective. So display network ad is basically Google has some partners. So partner network, where these partner network work as a publisher, and they allow Google to display the ads on their website. So they work as a publisher, and there would be a banner ad or a different sort of display ads. For example, if I go to a site called rohitashok.com, under this site if I go, you can find some ads running out here. This ad which is ads by Google. So this is a form of display uh, network only ad, where a kind of a banner, side banner ad, rather I would say margin ad. And this rohitashok.com is one of a partner site with Google, where this ads are appearing. There are other partners sites like YouTube is one of the partner site, where you can check out all the ads. If I go to YouTube and I show you some display network ad, how it looks. So here you'll find a rich media ad, which is also a form of display network ad. This one is also a form of display network ad. And if I search something here, AdWords, suppose I type AdWords, and if I check, so there's no ads running here. If I type Samsung Galaxy 8, so there's no ads. I'll just type smartphone, and just check is there display network ad is there. Apart from that, no, there's no ad out here. But yeah, we can also get ads here. You can see this is a form of a sponsored ad. So it's a ad, it's also kind of display ad. But anyways, let's come back to our marketing objectives. So we were talking about the first one, build awareness, where we create a brand, we just display ads, that's all. People see your ads, we can go ahead with this. Or you can create some sort of advertisement where you want people to get engaged to your content. So you'll create those ads where people get engaged to your content, or they visit your website, or maybe you want some sort of conversion, you want some sort of action to your website, and you call people to take some actions like buy on your website. So you're selling something, take an action on your website. For example, fill out a form, or fill out a newsletter form, maybe call your business. So you can create a call your business, visit your website, install app, or engage with your mobile. So whatever objective we have, keeping that in mind, you can choose objective, and based on that, few of the parameters would change, but not much changes. So as of now, what we'll do is our objective, keeping in mind that let's go ahead with this bill awareness. So just to see my ads, I'll just click this, and then if I have a existing ad, so I'll choose existing ad, or I'll go with the new ad which I've just created. You can choose any of the country where you want to show this ad. So as of now, by default, I've chosen India. I can choose language, and yes. And now this is a part where we need to understand viewable CPM. So viewable CPM, under this bid strategy, we need to choose either automatic bid strategy or manual bid strategy. So what are basically, if I talk about bid strategy, so we have chosen viewable CPM. That means when someone views your ad display ad, then only you are going to pay some money. That means CPM basically is cost per mile. That means cost per 1000 impressions. So once your app people sees a complete ad, and there would be a 1000 complete impressions. So if you set some budget, that complete budget would be exhausted according to the number of impression which you have received from your viewer. So as of now, next is we have to choose daily budget. So I'll just choose 1500 as a daily budget. I just left it as a 1500. And bid strategy you can always change, as focus on viewable impression, target CPA. You can always go ahead and check. So what do you expect? And after that, you have to choose a schedule. So schedule wise, when you want your ad to appear, you can choose those schedule. Ad frequency basically, so if you want to optimize for more of clicks, you can go ahead and choose. And then a frequency capping, this is very very interesting and very uh, good kind of a strategy where you can put frequency to your display ads, because as we said, we pay money as per impressions. So it is very important, as how many numbers of impression you want per day on your advertisement. So you can see here that once I click this viewable impression, so it is on per day basis, per week basis, or per month basis. And it is also as for entire campaign. So in entire campaign, if you have a 10 group and 20 ad running, so it is as per it will be calculating according to the all ads. And you can choose as per ad group, and you can also choose as per ad. So I'll just choose as per ad, and I'll keep it 300 per day viewable impression. After that, it will stop seeing ad, people will stop seeing this ad, and this ad will stop appearing after 300 views, right? And then digital content, you just need to leave it like this. So additional information, these are the additional information where you have to add extensions. Device, you can choose any of the device which you want. And this is very interesting, under this device you can always go ahead and choose a special operating system. So Android, BlackBerry, or whatever operating system you want to choose. You can also choose a type of mobile phone you're looking for. Maybe if I'm looking for Android, so I can, it's very amazing in fact. So you can choose phone, Android phone, as per the brand. So if I go ahead and I want to choose something, maybe Samsung. So once I click Samsung, I'm little surprised that the Samsung is not only providing the name, the brand, they are also providing the model of the phone, so I can also target the people with the models. So it's really exciting, in display marketing. And then you can choose another brand as well. And like you can choose under iOS phone, Apple phones, and you can also choose some other phone, Windows phone and all. And then you have a carriers and Wi-Fi. So you can choose carriers, like if we are in India, so we can always go ahead and choose carrier. Like if I talk about, so what are those carrier? Aircel is available, Airtel is available, BSNL, Idea. So you can also show your ads to the specific people. So this particular section is to showing your ad to a very targeted niche specific people. You can choose a specific operating system, you can choose a very specific brand of a mobile, very specific model. You can also choose a very specific internet carrier or Wi-Fi provider. So you can choose any of them. And then as of now we'll not go with the dynamic ad because it's a part of remarketing. I will just go ahead and learn how to create display marketing ad. I'll come with the next video where you'll find remarketing advertisement, how we do that. So after choosing this, we have to click save and continue. So once we click save and continue, the next thing which we get is to give the ad group name. So as it is kids race, so I'll just give it as a kids group. And then maximum VCPM, that means viewable CPM bid, how much I'm going to pay. So per view I just want to pay 25 paise, that's all. And after this, once we come to this a landing page, this is very exciting feature by Google, rather I would say. Once I'll put the URL detail, what happened is the Google will scan my website completely and get all the datas from my website. And according to that data, they also provide the images which is present in my website, which helps me to create my display ads. So it's done. Now I have to choose my target ads. So either it's demographic basis, interest in remarketing, or I would choose a different method where I can go with the display keyword. So I'll choose a certain keyword, or maybe with certain topic, or maybe I want a particular website to present my show my ad. So suppose I am interested in dress. So if I type dress and search, so there are a lot of website which have dresses as a keyword with them, and I can choose any of this website you know to show my ad. Or if you want some other word like fashion, and you click search, so you can also show your ad to the fashion site where they are using keywords. So these are the sites which are partners of Google, and it's a particular site where you can always put your ad and with a specific website, or you can leave that to Google, so that Google show your ad to random website where where and which websites are the partners of Google. So as of now we'll go with the demography. And as it's a kids wear, so basically not a parents buy all these things. Parents under age of I would say this is the age which basically parents, male and female, and under age of 44 they buy the kids wear, the parents. And you can check out here, there are almost 1 billion to 5 billion impression we are getting according to this particular selection. You can also narrow down this ad, as I have already said and shown you how to do that. Now here targeting optimization, in this particular column we'll leave it like this, and we'll move to the ad part. So I'll just save and continue this. So uh, once I am here, I have got four different boxes where I have to create four, where I can create four different ads. And we have three different options. One is image ad builder, responsive ad, and display ad builder. So as of now I will choose a responsive ad builder, so that that means responsive ad, so that it changes according to the device, according to the size of the screen, and according to different setup of the theme. So what I'll do is, first I need to put some image, as we have already got some image out here. So we just for our understanding, that's a I understand we are promoting kids wear, but I just need to choose any of the dress for an example, and I'll click continue, because as I said earlier, when we were doing this, I was given my website which Google has scanned, and according to that they provided these images. So you can see, or what we can do is we can also upload our own image out here for display advertisement. We can also choose some stock images which are present. So if I choose Flipkart and check whether this is available or not, so the website will scan a Flipkart and then will provide separate uh, images, or we can also use recently used images which is there with in stock with this particular Google AdWords. So I'll go ahead with my own website image, which through scanning I got. So I'll just choose that, and I'll click save, and then this is how my ad will appear. Then I'll give a short headline. So get the best get the best kids wear today. So I've crossed the limit, so I'll just keep it like this, and then I have to provide a long headline. So best brand available for kids wear, choose from different category and get 50% discount. So I'll just go ahead, category, then I have to provide some description. So I'll put the same description, just copy it. You can change the description according to your need. I have to give the name of the business. So my business is basically e-commerce, so I'll give the name, and then we'll not go with this UTM tag is basically to track each and every single action on your web page. I'll also help you to learn a UTM tag, that advanced URL, but in a different video. As of now, just get a fair idea about display advertisement. Now the next thing I have to do is I have to just click save and create ad. So once I click save and create ads, it is saying that I'm violating some policies. What are those policies? So I'll just go ahead and check what are those policies I am violating. So they are saying that I should not put any punctuation marks. So maybe this 50% discount I should not. So 50% hit the right like this. No, I am just, so get discount I'll just only keep, and then I'll also use this, and 50 get discount, that's all, and I'll click yes. Now my ads are done. To check my ad, I have to go back to the campaign, and under the campaign I'll just click this ad group, and under this ad group I'll get my ad. So this is my ad, and just to see the preview I'll click the preview, and my ad will appear here. So this is how my ad will appear in three different ways. So that's all guys, in display network ad only. So there are several ad which you can create. So there are responsive ad, image ad, ad gallery ad. You can uh, try any of this ad creating, and I'll come with other video where you'll get the idea about ad gallery ad, where when the lightbox ad, the banner ad, and the ad which reach media ad rather, I would say, and the ads which you send to Gmail as well. So I'll come with those videos, and you will get to know more about display marketing ad. As of now, thank you so much for watching this video, and I literally appreciate your patience. um, so what I expect and request all of you viewer is, please subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and like the video, and please leave a comment below this video. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Have a blast. Thank you so much, everyone.